It's kind of like a taste test for this KEVITA Sparkling Lemonade with Prebiotics Strawberry flavor. I don't know if I had this type before, so yeah. So let's get started this taste test video. So here we go. Let's get started. Oh, it tastes okay. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. It does. It tastes good. It tastes good, kind of. It kind of tastes good. It didn't taste so bad. That's the only favorite thing else. One more time. It tastes good. Kind of. That's all I gotta say with this taste test video.